Step into the realm of waste management mastery with Big Dawg Dumpsters. As the unrivaled purveyor of premier dumpster rentals, we've perfected the art of simplifying waste disposal woes. Whether you're orchestrating a residential overhaul or commanding a colossal construction endeavor, we have the ideal dumpster size to match your ambitions. Our commitment to excellence ensures that every interaction with us is seamless and stress-free, leaving you to focus on what truly matters, your project. Ready to unleash the power of effortless waste management? Contact us today at 743-244-3294 or visit our website at www.bigdawgfl.com. Our user-friendly online platform empowers you to book your dumpster rental with ease. At the same time, our dedicated team stands ready to answer any questions and facilitate smooth delivery and pickup. With Big Dawg Dumpsters by your side, you can confidently tackle any project, knowing that your waste disposal needs are in the most capable hands. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we don't just offer dumpster rentals, we deliver peace of mind. Our unwavering commitment to sustainability means handling your waste carefully, minimizing environmental impact, and maximizing recycling efforts. Join the ranks of satisfied customers who trust Big Dawg Dumpsters for reliable, affordable, and environmentally conscious waste management solutions.